Now, to slightly uh, come depth of the combustion related problems, the spark plug is fired at 18 degree before top dead center in an engine running at 1800 rpm. It takes 8 degree of engine rotation to start combustion and get into flame propagation mode. Flame termination occurs at 12 degree after the top dead center. The bore diameter is 8.4 centimeter and the spark plug is offset 8 millimeter from the center line of the cylinder. The flame front can be approximated as a sphere moving out from the spark plug. Calculate the effective flame front speed during flame propagation. Note, the rotational angle during flame propagation is for 10 degree before top dead center to 12 degree after top dead center, which equals to 22 degree. So, the time of flame propagation is, so here we can use the relation, that is T is the represent the time of the flame propagation, is equal to 22 degree. The total rotational angle after the top dead center is 22 divided by 360 oblique revolution into 1800 divided by 60, the revolution in second. The answer is time period is 0.0020 second. So calculate now the maximum flame travel distance, that is represented by D max. So D max is D by 2 plus offset value, and where D is the bore diameter in meter. So 0.084 meter is the bore diameter divided by 2 plus the offset value is 0.008 meter. So the answer of the maximum flame travel distance is 0.05 meter. Now calculate the effective flame speed by using the relationship of VFE, velocity of flame, equal to D max divided by time, that is 0.005 divided by 0.002. So finally the effective flame speed is 25 meter second. That is the answer of the problem. Now we are solving another problem. The problem is that the diesel engine has a compression ratio of 18:1 and operating on air standard dual cycle at 2400 rpm. The combustion starts at 7 degree before the top dead center and lasts for 42 degree of engine rotation. The ratio of connecting rod length to crank offset is 3.8, which is represented by capital R. Now calculate the ignition delay and cycle cutoff ratio. So according to condition, the combustion starts at 7 degree before the top dead center and fuel injected starts at 20 degree before top dead center according to standard parameter. So ignition delay in degrees of engine rotation is ignition delay, that is represented by ID, is 13 degree of engine rotation. So ignition delay in second is 13 degree divided by 2400 into 360 divided by 60. The answer is 0.0009 second. Second part is the calculate the combustion stop at 35 degree after the top dead center. So what is the cutoff ratio? So cutoff ratio is represented by beta, and the equation is 1 plus 1 by 2 multiple by compression ratio minus 1, and in a bigger bracket the offset r plus 1 minus cos theta is equal to again r square minus sin square theta. So after putting the all values, the cutoff ratio is finally is 2.91. So this is the answer of these problems. Thank you.